A 100 Hz refresh rate means your monitor updates its display 100 times per second, compared to the standard 60 Hz. This creates noticeably smoother motion and better responsiveness, especially in gaming. To achieve 100 Hz on your Sceptre monitor, you need proper hardware. Your graphics card should be at least a GTX 1060 or RX 580 equivalent for stable performance. You also need the right cable. Use HDMI 2.0 or DisplayPort 1.2 or higher for reliable 100 Hz transmission. DisplayPort is generally recommended for best compatibility. Now for the setup process. In Windows, right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings. This opens the main display configuration panel. Next, click on Advanced Display Settings, then Display Adapter Properties. In the Monitor tab, you'll find the Screen Refresh Rate dropdown where you can select 100 Hz. Alternatively, you can use your graphics card's control panel. NVIDIA users can access the NVIDIA Control Panel and navigate to change resolution to adjust the refresh rate directly. Some Sceptre monitors also have built-in options. Access your monitor's on-screen display menu using the physical buttons and look for gaming mode or high refresh rate settings to enable 100 Hz directly from the monitor. When setting up 100 Hz on your Sceptre monitor, you may encounter several common issues. The most frequent problem is a black screen, which typically occurs when using HDMI connections that lack sufficient bandwidth. Another common issue is screen flickering, which usually indicates insufficient cable bandwidth. High-quality cables are essential for stable 100 Hz operation. Performance drops during gaming often indicate that your graphics card may not meet the requirements for stable 100 Hz gaming. Check your GPU specifications and consider upgrading if necessary. Keeping your graphics drivers updated is crucial for optimal 100 Hz performance. NVIDIA users should update to the 545.x series, while AMD users need the 23X series drivers. AMD users should update to the 23X series drivers through the AMD software interface or device manager for improved compatibility with high refresh rates. For optimal performance, enable GPU scaling in your graphics control panel. This helps maintain image quality while ensuring smooth frame delivery at 100 Hz. Adjust your in-game settings to maintain consistent frame rates. Lower demanding settings like shadows and anti-aliasing to ensure your system can deliver a stable 100 frames per second. Finally, monitor your system temperatures during extended gaming sessions. High refresh rate gaming can increase GPU and CPU load, so proper cooling is essential for stable performance. By following these troubleshooting steps and optimization techniques, you should achieve stable 100 Hz performance on your Sceptre monitor with improved gaming experience and reduced visual artifacts.